The discount on this is so preposterously large that you're probably going to have 3 in your driveway by the end of this video. The Sky Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram here in Provo is providing us with this particular tungsten. They've got a few available for sale if you're interested. I'll put a link to the website in the description down below. Now, no matter how big the discount, if the truck sucks, then there's no point in buying it. So let's go over the specs on this bad boy. 540 horsepower, 521 pound-feet of torque from a twin turbo, 3-liter inline 6 that goes through an 8-speed automatic, 15 around town, 21 on the highway for fuel economy. Now, if you're looking for more straight to the point reviews like this, make sure you subscribe. Now, this truck's black, but you can get the tungsten in some different colors, just depending on what you're looking for. And then I love these daytime running lights. They have a cool little animation when you lock and unlock the truck. And then you do get a unique front bumper on the tungsten that looks different from other Rams. And compared to other trucks on the road, this thing just looks upscale. 285 by 45 by 22 for the tire and wheel setup. Again, fancier design with the wheels. And then this does have 4-corner air suspension, which is unique. No other full-size pickup truck offers anything like that in the US market. Nice body paint fender flares. You've got your tungsten badge below the Ram badge there. And like most modern pickup trucks, this has a crew cab configuration with a short bed. It's the most popular setup. Now you do get a pretty fancy key fob with this. It has lock and unlock, lowering for the tailgate, lowering for the air suspension, remote start, and then the tungsten logo on the back. This has Ram box cargo storage, so you've got space on either side, an outlet here on the driver's side, 400-watt inverter, and these are lockable. And then the tailgate, you can see we've got bed liner on this already. We also have LED bed lights. You do lose some of the space internally because of the Ram boxes, but it's not bad at all. And then we do have a tonneau cover with this, and the tailgate itself is fully power, pretty fast too. The taillights also have that kind of fill-in animation as the front lights. Chrome badging here on the back. Towing capacity is just under 10,000 pounds. There's also a little bumper step there on the one side. That will cap things off for the exterior. Well, one more thing. LED cab light. Let's now check out the interior of this truck. Regular glass in the back. Beautiful trim all over the door panel. I mean, this is insanely upscale. I love the speakers here for the sound system. Power side steps with this as well. And then you can see here with the seat perforated all down the center. You've got tungsten right there. And then look at this. Little buckets on either side. Legroom back here is great. A little storage pocket. You can see here for the sound system. I think the speaker is kind of funny with the placement. But yeah, really nice trim in the back of the seats. Cup holders. And I like the trim around. It's kind of like carbon fiber-ish. Interesting. Heated ventilated seats here in the back. We have some USB ports, a full outlet. Headroom's pretty darn good. Look at that. This headliner's fancy pants. We also have a power sliding rear window. Keyless entry for up front, and let's check that out. Blind spot monitoring. We've got thicker glass up front, and then more nice materials. All of your window controls. The front 2 are automatic, which is great. The mirror's power fold in. This has massage seats, a bunch of different seat adjustments on the door panel, like Mercedes. You've got your memory seat function, and then 1,093 pounds of payload. That's one downside with the luxury truck. Tungsten there on the seat, again perforated all down the center portion here. Got more of that nice trim off to the side. Light controls, fog lights, cargo light, all of that built in. Got your pedal adjustment, cargo outlet to turn that on. Now with the steering wheel, we've got nice trim all around. Even the airbag has fancy stitching. Radio controls in the back. On the front face, we've got practical controls for the adaptive cruise with your steering assist, gear limiter function, your drive modes built into it, driver monitor with this, and then we do have a full digital cluster. You can change the information that's displayed. Just depends on what you're looking for. So it's kind of a normal modern unit thing. And then we do have a heads-up display. 360 camera system with this. Of course, got all the different camera views. And then the infotainment system is vertically displayed. Analog controls on either side for the climate. Also your radio controls are built in. And then you can see down below, we've got all of this for like shortcut right on the bottom. And then your parking sensors for your air suspension, your trailer brake controls are part of it. The other part's like a little kind of physical tab thing. Dial shifter, a little bit fancier. Your driveline select has a part-time system with a 2-speed transfer case, and it also has 4-wheel drive auto, which is great. You also have auto stop start. You can turn that off if you want. 2 phone charging pads, bunch of USB ports. Got a full outlet down below. This slides, and you've got the nice little covering on it. And then you can access the storage from the back. It says tungsten there on the top. We do have a passenger screen with this. Camera rear view mirror. Like I said earlier, big old sunroof. So 2026 tungsten, normally this sticker's for $92,530. Now Ram has a rebate program on a bunch of different models, you know, the Tungsten Limited Rebel, for example. The Tungsten gets a 15% rebate plus dealer discount. Right now, this has a sales price of about $70,000, over $20,000 off of MSRP. Never seen anything like that. $90,000 is a lot for a pickup truck. So is $70,000, but for $70,000, this is a lot of pickup truck. I mean, think about this, for example. An F-150 XLT with cloth seats, stickers for about 70 grand, with how most of them are optioned out at Ford dealers. Now, I know that there's some discounts on the Ford trucks too, but still, getting this for 70 grand, that's very appealing. Talking to the guys inside, they said that, so I obviously haven't made any videos on this yet. This is the video. They've already sold out. They went from like, their tungstens were just kind of sitting. They already sold like 4 of them. And it's, what day is it in the month? It's not even halfway, we're not even halfway through the month. So yeah, suffice to say, I think that Ram tungstens are going to sell very quickly. They're going to sell out. Because I mean, this is just such an appealing truck for the price tag now. And I mean, if you look at this, when I was selling Rams, we had a similar rebate program back in the day, a limited with far fewer options than what this has. It was like $55K after the discounts. So 15K more, right? We got inflation and everything, we'll go talk about that. But 15K more and you get a truck that has a really powerful engine, more luxury than a limited, more tech features. Like it's a lot of value baked in. And they've got that new 100,000 mile warranty. I obviously talk about reliability in my reviews nowadays, so let's quickly comment on that with this review. Here's the deal. The Hurricane, you got a big warranty on it. So far, it's actually been really good. They had that thermostat issue, and you know, some people do have issues, but it's a very low percentage. So most people that own these Hurricanes, not gonna have an issue. The only caveat, you gotta change the oil. This is a high performance twin turbo engine. You have to change the oil every 3 to 5K miles. Have to. Do not go above that. I don't care what the dealer says. I don't care what Ram says. I say 3 to 5,000 mile oil changes. Stick to it. Don't be lazy. Don't skimp out. And you'll be fine. The acceleration on this thing, like I said, it's high performance. Look at this. This thing rips. It rips. 540 horsepower in a pickup truck is crazy. And this is super quiet inside again. This is full luxury. The air suspension is comfortable, long wheelbase, and tech, right? Now the tech obviously has a lot of benefit, but that is one weak spot for Stellantis vehicles. They seem to struggle with the electronics. So that is something that you could have pop up here and there. Got some electronic stuff going haywire, but you know, not the end of the world. It's usually more so of like, hey, the screen's being glitchy, but just something to be aware of with these trucks that have all this tech. Man, this thing drives nice. So in conclusion, the Ram Tungsten is the nicest truck when it comes to luxury. Nothing competes with this. Only truck with air suspension, nicest interior, most insulated cabin, smoothest engine. Everything is dialed in here. And at over $90,000, I get it. It's a lot of truck, but it's a tough pill to swallow for a non-luxury brand. But at $70,000, this is a deal. I mean, this is a do-everything truck. You know, the towing and payload, not as great as what you'd want it to be, but more than capable enough for most people. So you get good enough capability, comfort, space. I mean, this is the vehicle. You can buy this and it'll be your family car, your tow car, your daily driver, and you'll never feel like, oh, I need something. Like, you know, sometimes with pickup trucks you're like, oh, maybe I should get something else to drive around because it's you know, not that comfortable, it's loud or this or that. Not you'll want to drive this. This is so good, you will want to drive this. So let me know your thoughts on the discount program, and I'm sure many of you will be in your in a Ram dealership very soon getting one of these pickup trucks, because man, it's just crazy to see that Ram's doing that again. It's not the first time they've done something like this, but when you stack that big of a percentage off on something that is this expensive plus dealer discount, I mean, things get absolutely crazy. I mean, like $22,000 off MSRP. That's well over 20%. Crazy.